Hi everybody, this is video 64 and I'm probably going to be ending it at video 65 because that will mean that I will have ended 6 weeks post surgery from having a total shoulder replacement, a stemless shoulder replacement. And today my progress is doing really good. My range of motion is getting lots better. It's not there yet. I'm only got not quite 6 weeks in yet. It does hurt to do that, but not bad, not compared to bone on bone. I couldn't do that with a bone on bone. The other thing is my arm feels heavy. And I think the reason my arm feels heavy is because my muscles have atrophied. So I need to do a little bit more exercise coming up real soon because the 6 weeks are up. Now I can start doing something a little more than just babying my arm. I'm going to be going to a little get-together today in North County. It's called the Vintage Hippy Chicks of North County. It's a group of ladies that like to do arts and crafts and little things. So I'll be doing that this afternoon. Hopefully I'll have some video, some content about that. And we have tadpoles and pollywogs. Got to have those. Sky's here. She's probably going to follow me out. So if that happens, we'll let her sled dog video us out of here. And then I'll be back and close the video out this evening, edit, and do the things I normally do. So far, so good. And that's it for now. Hopefully the sun will come out. This is cold, dreary, yuck. Talk to you in a little bit. Here is our pollywog tadpole look for the day. You left the seed. You don't like the seed? Are you going to eat the seed too? You have a whole bowl of food in there, you know. Well, I think this is going to be the end of the video today. It's going to be a short one. I had a great time with the vintage hippie chicks of North County. We had a great time, and that's with a meetup group called Vintage Hippie Chicks of North County. I'll do a quick little shout out to all that group. Thanks a lot. It was a lot of fun this afternoon, and I'm going to send you a link to this video just so I can share with you what I shared at the group today. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll have another one tomorrow. It'll be video number 65 of having a total stimulus shoulder replacement, and I'm doing great. Thanks for watching. Bye.